Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Use Basics. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you create bot in Character.AI. First open a Character.AI in a device. Make sure you have logged into a Character.AI. If you have logged into a Character.AI, you can see this interface. In this interface you can see create option in the middle of chat and explore. Tap to create option. After tapping a create option you can see character, group chat, personal, voice. Tap to character. In this step you have to enter a bot ID name and click to next. In next step you have to describe your bot looks, how it looks like, or it can auto generate, and enter next. In this interface you have to enter a bot greeting and click to next. In this page you can set the bot public, private and unlisted. After this click to next. Here you can select bot voice, image, description, subtitles and character definition. After adding this, tap to create. And this is how easy to create a bot in Character.AI. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you found this video informative, hit the thumbs up button and make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel for more popular tutorial. Thanks for watching us.